Wellness is more than just the absence of illness. It's a holistic state of being, encompassing physical, mental, and emotional health. Embracing wellness is about actively making choices that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Living a well life is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous growth, self-discovery, and making positive changes. Start with one small change and then build upon it. Celebrate your successes along the way. Even minor adjustments, like incorporating a short walk into your day or practicing gratitude, can make a big difference. These small changes can create a ripple effect, positively influencing other areas of your life. You'll find that as you prioritize your well-being, other aspects of your life will fall into place. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of becoming the best version of yourself. It's a gift you give to yourself. Physical health forms the foundation of overall wellness. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or simply taking a brisk walk. Proper nutrition plays a vital role in fueling your body and providing it with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Adequate sleep is essential for physical and mental restoration. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining optimal bodily functions. Make sure you're getting enough fluids to keep your body functioning at its best. Mental wellness is just as important as physical health. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay present and focused, reducing stress and anxiety. Take a few minutes each day to simply observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Stress management techniques are essential for navigating the challenges of daily life. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Making time for leisure activities is essential for mental well-being. Challenge yourself mentally by learning new skills or engaging in intellectually stimulating activities. This could involve taking a class, learning a new language, or simply working on a puzzle. Keeping your mind active is important for maintaining cognitive function. Emotional well-being involves understanding and managing your emotions effectively. Practice gratitude by focusing on the positive aspects of your life. Keep a gratitude journal and write down a few things you're thankful for each day. Cultivate positive relationships and surround yourself with supportive people. Connect with friends, family, and colleagues who uplift and inspire you. Strong social connections are vital for emotional well-being. Learn healthy ways to express your emotions, whether it's through talking to someone you trust, writing in a journal, or engaging in creative expression. Suppressed emotions can lead to stress and anxiety. Develop coping mechanisms for dealing with difficult emotions, such as sadness, anger, and frustration. Learning to manage your emotions is a key component of emotional well-being. Strong social connections are essential for overall well-being. Engage with your community by volunteering, joining a club, or simply connecting with neighbors. Building a sense of belonging is crucial for happiness and well-being. Nurture your relationships with friends and family. Make time for meaningful conversations, shared activities, and expressions of love and appreciation. These connections provide support, comfort, and a sense of belonging. Seek out like-minded individuals who share your interests and values. Join a book club, hiking group, or any other activity that aligns with your passions. Helping others not only benefits those in need, but also brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Living a balanced life is about finding harmony between different aspects of your life: work, relationships, personal growth, and self-care. It's not about perfection, but about making conscious choices that align with your values and priorities. Prioritize self-care by making time for activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. This could include anything from taking a relaxing bath, to reading a book, to spending time in nature. Self-care is not selfish. It's essential for maintaining well-being. Set realistic goals and expectations for yourself. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on making small, sustainable changes that you can maintain over time. Remember that wellness is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, embrace the process, and enjoy the ride.